Both corners are full of energy, so we're sure to see a great battle. The battle begins! The blue corner makes the first attack. A heavy blow. It's pouring rain in the Colosseum. A heated battle is unfolding in the Colosseum. Swamped by hydro pump. A huge amount of damage. It's down. Azumarill is sent out. It's pouring rain in the Colosseum. I wonder how this is going to affect the battle. Rushing blow. It couldn't take it. It's down. Is sent out. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect to see next? Starmie starts to attack. A fierce blow. Such amazing power! Massive damage! It's down and out. Azumarill restored its health. Skarmory is sent out. The end of the battle is getting closer by the minute. It was badly poisoned. A fierce blow. The red corner barely holds on. Skarmory desperately holds on. Slammed him. It couldn't take it. It's down. The battle has ended. The blue corner pulled off an impressive victory.